Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to set up out of office or out of town messages in Gmail. So before we start, please consider subscribing to my channel. So let's get started. So to set up out of office or out of town messages in Gmail, all you have to do is go to this settings here and then click on see all settings. And again, you have to scroll all the way down here to vacation responders. Inside the vacation responder, first you have to select vacation responder on, and then you have to type in your subject, how on vacation, and you can type in your messages. Dear sender, I am out of town. Please wait for my return. That's it. Now, if you hit save changes, also you can specify from what day to what day you want to set your reminder or responder. You can set the first date you want, and then last day. It will be there forever if you don't select it, so or unless you switch it off. So if you want the responder to respond between a specific dates, then you have to select this one and say and then just say save changes. This will automatically say send responses to the sender whenever you are out of town or pretend to be out of town. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching and have a nice day.